Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my first update for the hashtag Partners in Cream 2024. Today is the 10th, so I'm filming it and hopefully uploading it today. And this project was set up by myself and DaLin. As always, everything will be linked, everything and everyone in the playlist will be linked down below. I love seeing the updates that are going up on Instagram, and thank you for tagging me. And I've added some new people I found into the playlist, and if I forget you, let me know. And yeah, let's just get into it. So I'm using 5 products, and 4 is usually to finish and 1 is a usage. So I'll start with my usage, and it was the RMS product, and I wanted to use it 30 times. And this has gone up in weight, so I don't know what to tell you about that, because it went from 32.21 to 39.13. So I don't know, but everything else went down in weight. My goal was to use this 30 times, and I've used it 5 so far, and I'm really happy about it because I'm loving it this time. It's in the shade Magic Luminizer, and if you have this and you know, like I've tried using it with my fingers before, with brushes. It's such a dense product that it just wasn't looking nice on my skin initially. If you use your ring finger and kind of go whoop, and then go like this and then do it, it is a beautiful glow. It's not like an intense stripe, which is not what I want anyway, and it's not cool tone. It's kind of champagne but still works on my fair skin. So I'm absolutely loving it. 5 uses so far, still a good few more to go, but I'm loving it since I'm panning a highlighter powder to finish. The second product, and it's the first to finish one, is my Charlotte Tilbury contour wand in the shade Fair Medium. I don't know if this has changed at all in terms of thickness, but it has gone from 17.7 down to 16.48. So that's 1.22. That's 1.22 grams that I've used, and I've used it 16 times because I used it today, and I have found that if I underpaint with this, you can't see it, even though I wear a medium coverage foundation. So I have to do it on top for it to show. I don't mind using it, it blends out really, really easily, but I could live without it, and it's so expensive that I won't be repurchasing it if it's only a meh product to me. Even though it works perfect, it's just it doesn't really do anything. So I've gone down 1.22 grams, so I'm really glad about that. But that product is still in. I don't know how long it will take to finish, but I imagine it will take a really long time. Then we have our blush. And I'll insert a picture over here of how far it's gone down. But I have used it 9 times. Let me roll it on up. And it's gone down a little bit, and I have it on today. So it's more of like a pink shine, or like a peach shine. And it's gone down 0.83 grams. It doesn't stay on all day. It doesn't. But neither does my Rockateur blush. So because initially I was trying to see, like, does this stay on? Is it work? Because I love the formula. It's so easily and blendable. But if it doesn't stay on, what's the point? But I suppose my Rockateur doesn't stay on either. So maybe it's all blushes bar my MAC Glow Play that seemed to come off. Who knows? I'm actually going to keep a particular eye out for it now. So it is beautiful. It's so easy to apply. It's so easy, you can literally apply it directly to the face and do this. Or you can use, like I had been using this brush. This type of a brush. What is this? This is the Zoeva 110 Face Shape. Really easy if you don't have a lot of area to work with. So yeah, really, really love this product. There's not much in it, but I will be the one who will dig into it. So, and it does seem to move really quickly. Product that I don't think will take too much longer to finish is my ColourPop Dream Date. I'll have a close up on the screen. I'm curious to see how much this went down. I feel like it's a lot. I've used it 16 times, but I will be digging into it. And I know when I dig in, it takes ages. Have it on today, but I don't know if it's going to translate accurately on the camera because I'm afraid to mess with my camera settings because I don't know enough about it. But it is a very cool tone with a peach, like, undertone to it. Not peach. I don't know. Anyway, it's really, really lovely. I really, really like it. It's in the shade Dream Date, and it's a cream finish. And this is one I would consider repurchasing, and it's nearly gone and I'm loving it. Did I tell you how much it went down? 0.83 grams. No, it went down 0.25 grams. The last product we have is my Terra 28 gloss in the shade Cashew. I prefer the shade Oat, that's just a colour preference, and I've used this a lot overall. I've used it 136 times in its lifespan, and I've used it 12 times since you've last seen it, and it's gone down, I believe, this much. You should see it on the screen. And it's gone down 0.66 grams. It actually is not too sticky, which is great. I'm just prioritizing my Terra 28 because I don't want them to go off, and it's a clean brand, so I just want to make sure I get, because they are pretty expensive, and I would repurchase the shade Oat because I do really like it. So if I had a smaller lip gloss collection, this would be a formula that I would repurchase. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you the next time. Take care. Bye.